Welcome back to the channel, guys. This week we're doing something slightly different. We're heading out on a memorial bike ride out to Blackgang Viewpoint car park. So on the bike in front is my dad and my uncle on the Honda Goldwing, and we're out on the Yamaha XJ6 diversion. It should be a nice ride today. Weather's nice for it. It's a bit warm, but there we go. As more bikes arrived, Blackgang Viewpoint quickly filled up with motorcycles of all shapes and sizes. It gave everyone a chance to look around and catch up before it was time to set off. One of my favourite parts before any ride is just walking around looking at all the bikes. Everyone's a little different, and you can tell how much pride people take in them. Today's video is going to be a little different from my usual kayak fishing adventures. Instead, I'm heading out to join Dave Rand's memorial ride here on the Isle of Wight. It was a chance for riders from across the island to come together and remember someone who clearly meant a lot to so many people. Before long, helmets were going on, engines fired up, and it was time to set off. So it's been quite a good little turnout. So we are heading along Millie Road. People coming out to support, which is nice. Supporters at the side of the road. what's special about riding as a part of a group like this. It's not a race, and it's not about getting anywhere quickly. It's simply about riding together and remembering someone special who brought people together. More bystanders waving. Such a great community on the Isle of Wight for motorbikes, motorcyclists. Another bystander there filming, so I'll give him a wave. Such a lovely road. I mean, the view you can get, it's just awesome. It's coming down to Freshwater Bay now, and you've got the Calbourne Hotel, which has just been revamped. It's all open now. That's where we did our kayak trip, up over there. And we caught the wrasse. Looking at it from a different angle this week. Looks a bit choppy out there for the kayak today. The route took us across some of the Isle of Wight's best roads. Whether you're riding or driving, it's easy to forget how beautiful the island is until you slow down and take it all in.
Looks like we're heading along towards Middle Road.
Days like these remind you that motorcycles aren't just about the machines, they're about the friendships and the shared experiences and the people you meet along the way. Hope you've enjoyed coming along on something a little different today. If you did, let me know in the comments, because I'd love to know if you'd like to see more adventures like this alongside kayak fishing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.